Now children, today let's start with chapter number 8, life in villages and town. So let's study about the people, how they live in villages and town. In ancient time, the rise of new kingdoms and towns brought significant changes to the way people live. और जो one of the most important changes was in the field of agriculture and trade. New trade routes emerged. आप देखेंगे नए नए trade routes emerge हुए connecting different regions both within and outside the subcontinent. What is irrigation? Discovery of iron tool brought us significant changes to life in villages and towns. One remarkable development was iron plowshare, which allowed farmers to dig deep into the fertile soil, leading to increased agriculture production. What happened? Farmer practice crop rotation, transplantation, जिससे क्या करा उन्होंने, जो आपका हार्वेस्टिंग है, मतलब जो आपका प्रोडक्शन है, ट्रांसप्लांटेशन है, उसको उसने क्या करा, बूस्ट करा. Most crucial aspect of agriculture was irrigation. To achieve, they initiated construction. उन्होंने क्या करा, canals बनाए, tanks बनाए, wells बनाए, artificial lakes बनाए. Next is villages. In ancient times, the southern part of our subcontinent had a society जहाँ पे आपके 3 different groups of people थी, right? So we can say in Tamil region, villagers were the big landowners. They possessed large pieces of land and they were influential in the community. If we talk about ordinary plowmen in the Tamil region, जिसे हम उजवार्स कहते हैं, they were hardworking farmers who cultivated the land, and what they did, they grow crops that sustain village. Some people in Tamil region unfortunately did not have any own land, and they were known as Adimai and carnivore, and they often has to work as robbers. In northern region, जो head of the village को हम ग्राम बोजक कहते हैं. What do we call them? ग्राम बोजक. This position was usually held by the largest landowner. It was hereditary, right? It was passed from one generation to another, collecting tax from villagers on behalf of king. So we can say that they were independent farmers, जिन्हें हम गृहस्पति कहते हैं, which have their own land, and they mark their living through farm. Now art and craft. People in these villages practice various art and craft. As towns did begin to emerge and grow, many skilled craftsmen decided to settle in towns. जैसा आपकी वैशाली हो गई, उज्जैनी, हस्तिनापुर, पाटलिपुत्रा, ये लोगों ने यहाँ पे क्या कर रहा है ना, रिसाइड करना स्टार्ट कर. सो आर्कोलॉजिस्ट हैव अनकवर्ड ट्रेसेस और डिस्टिंक्टिव टाइप ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स, हम NPW, नॉन पॉलिश्ड वॉर वेयर कहते हैं, राइट? They were also writing from this period which emphasizes significance of cloth manufacture. Cities जैसे मदुराई हो गई, वाराणसी हो गई, they become renowned craft center to streamline their activities and support one another. Craftsmen and merchants often formed association. इन्होंने क्या करा, एक एसोसिएशन फॉर्म करा जिसे हम श्रेणीज कहते हैं. They play a crucial role in providing training, overseeing the production process, and ensuring the distribution of crafts. They served as a early banking system for affiliation merchants. Next is increasing trade. In ancient times, farming and craft work flourished. Villages found themselves with more than they need. Extra goods were sent. Extra goods होते उनको टाउन में ले जाता था ट्रेड करने के लिए. And each craft has its own guild working closely to trade artistic. They gathered material from various sources and they distribute their final creation. Next is coins. In ancient time, what happened? The use of metal coin changed the way people trade. Many different types of coins have been seized, uncovered by the archaeologists, and they have found coins made of copper and silver. The discovery show that people use the coin to exchange goods and services. A kind of exchange को क्या बोला जाता? Monetary exchange. Now, growth of towns and cities. In ancient times, they were closely connected to how people lived. लोग वहाँ कैसे रहते थे और कैसे work करते थे. As more towns came up, there were lots of places where people lived close together. And these places from old books we can see, like we have Vaishali, Ujjain, Hastinapur, Patliputra, Mathura, Bodhgaya, Arikavedu, Rajgir or Kaveri. But now functions of town. So the towns were bustling centers with various important functions. यहाँ पे आपको कुछ religious importance की चीजें भी देखने को मिली, ठीक है, और यहाँ पे लोग rituals भी perform करते थे. Many towns were merchants and traders. They come together और वो goods और services को क्या करते थे, exchange. Next is Mathura, old town that existed more than 2500 years ago. It is important because special location along a trade route being a birthplace of Lord Krishna. और ये second capital थी आपकी कुशाल जो empire था उस, right? You can see that people made beautiful things like painting and sculpture. Mathura School of Art had become famous for its fine painting, जिसको आपकी राधा और कृष्ण की that still admired today. Now, Arika Meadow, situated in Pondicherry, carefully uncovered by the British archaeologist Sir Martin Deela, was not only a town but also a bustling coastal trading center. The town had strong connection with a distant land called Roman Empire. Evidence of this connection lies in the discovery of Roman coin. Arica Meadow was known for items that was traded in Rome, beads, semi-precious stone and delicate glass shell bangles, जो जिसका cheap export होता था, ठीक है, town में. And you can say that other items they were imported were fragrant oil and flavor one. Stamp, rag, glaze, pottery also it is imported, जिसको हम एरिटाइन वेयर कहते हैं. लैम्प, स्पार्कलिंग जैम्स, डेडिकेट ग्लास ऑब्जेक्ट जो आपको कहाँ मिलता है, विच आर फाउंड इन एक्सकवेशन एट अरिका मेडी. राइट, this is all about in this chapter. Now let's meet in the next class. Thank you.